All right, guys, so this is the first property for the day. And all we do here, as a matter of fact, I've been servicing this customer for the past 7 years. 7 years. And all we do is mow the grass. And I'll show you the back. And this is the back. Yep. Here's an intricate little place that we take care of. So today I'm solo. I have a few properties I will record. And hey guys, for those guys who haven't seen the video about the Vantage, make sure that you look in the description below. I mean on the top. And I'm talking about the X-Mark Staris that just came out. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna get it, but I want your professional opinion. You know, what would you do in your business? And one thing that I will tell you, honestly, to be honest with you guys, I have a lot of doubts because there is a want. Oh, sorry about that. There's a want and there's a need. I don't need a new mower. No, I don't. And my Vantage is gonna be paid off here. Hell, I can go and pay it off right now. And the Staris is brand spanking new. And on tomorrow's video, I'll give you the pros and cons and what I actually come up with. So let's go ahead and shut this conversation down. And please do not put anything about the mowers, okay? Wait until the video tomorrow, because I will give you an in-depth explanation on my opinion, okay? And then I will let you know exactly what I'm going to do. So don't put anything in the comments in regards to the mower. So today I'm going to do a couple of properties here, and the temperature is extremely better, guys. Right now is 60 degrees compared to yesterday. Yesterday was like 30 and 35. And then it went up to, I want to say, in regards to 50. But yeah, I'm by myself today, and I'm not gonna tell you why. I'm gonna let you know tomorrow. So there you go. That's a cliffhanger. Where's Quest? Oh boy, there you go. That's the title of this video. Where is Quest? What's going on with Quest? You will know tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. All right, guys, let me show you the end of the last video that I did, not the one yesterday, but the one before yesterday, when I did all the properties that I went and did an estimate on. The following clip is from the last property on that video. And the reason I didn't put it in is because I had to actually film it on my phone. And because my battery depleted from my GoPro, okay? So here goes the clip from yesterday, day before yesterday. Enjoy. All right, guys, this is the final look. My GoPro died. So I am using my phone, and that's a piece of weave. There was a whole bunch of trash right there inside the grass. And here is the back. And gents, let me tell you, we had to hit this with the freaking string trimmer. Yes, we did. We hit all this crap because it rained, man. It freaking rained all night. And I thought it would have been, yep, all in the back there. And then it goes up over there. And the slopes look, and the slope look just like this. Yep. All right, so, yep, that's it. Took some pictures. And we're gonna send the, gonna send a photo to the gentleman. And now this is what's gonna happen. If we come back and, you know, give it some time to dry, and we have to hit this with the string trimmer again, my price is gonna have to go up. Yeah, because I quote this on the intention of mowing it with the mower, not hitting it with a string trimmer. So things may change. You may and may not see this property again, but oh well, life goes on. Hey man, good job. All right guys, wanted to send you a quick update. That is the house right there that the people was staring at me through the window. There you go. All right, there's their moving truck, brand new people moving in, but this is just a one-time service. So yeah, it worked out pretty well. All right, just wanted to give you guys an update. All right, on to the next.